Let's go!
Good flash, son!
Scoring a goal!
Alex, warm up first.
I'm fine. I don't need it. Ah! My leg! Alex, are you okay? It hurts. I can't
Don't move, son. Let me see your leg.
Ouch.
We need an x-ray.
Is he going to be okay? I hope so.
Stay strong. Good news. It's not broken.
Thank God. Really?
It's a sprain. No football for 3 weeks.
What? Here, soup for you. Take your medicine.
You walk funny.
Hey, stop laughing.
But it's so funny.
I'm trying my best.
Okay, but still funny. Just you wait.
Good job, son.
I feel better now. I learned something. Always warm up before playing. And family is everything.